Hey, it's Matt from Summit RV. I want to show you the inside of the Transcend, the 27 BHS. I just want to shoot a quick video for you so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like here. So as soon as you walk in the door, when you go to your left, you have the oversized bunks with the ladder here. You can see you have storage shelves underneath the bunk, and you do have this cubby hole area down here. Come into the bathroom. You have of course your sink, medicine cabinet here. You have some nice little counter space here. You do have shelves here, another cabinet, and of course, just like in all the Grand Designs, you have your storage on the side of the shower here for your washcloths, towels, and all that. And you do have the wide basin shower here. Now coming into the living room, you have the big slide. You have your pull-out couch. You have your booth dinette here. Of course, that's going to break down to the to make a bed. Now, this is a full pull-out bed. This is not a jackknife sofa. Over here, underneath your TV and your entertainment area, plenty of more storage. You do have your Jensen stereo system here. You have your TCL Roku TV. This does sit on a swivel arm. So you can kind of see that pulls way out from the wall. Can be angled all kinds of different directions. You have your electric propane refrigerator. More cabinets there underneath. You do have a area for pots here underneath your stove. It's a nice little area. Your stove top does have the cover over it to increase the counter space. With your 3-burner cooktop stove, microwave, and of course your cabinets over the sink. This does have the big farm sink, and it does have the head that you can pull off on the sink. Coming to the master bedroom, you have your full queen size bed. You have closets on both sides, and cabinets above the top. You do have the door that separates the bedroom here from the living room. These are magnetic catches, so everything works by magnet. So there you go. There's just a quick video of the inside of the Transcend, so you can have a look at it. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Come on down and see me.